I must say it is a knowledge-based question. You see, generally when we monitor our project progress, we talk about person complete, we talk about schedule completion, cost impact, cost utilization, but we never see things beyond that. Generally, our status is 2D in terms of time, in terms of cost, but mostly it is all about what has happened. We generally look back, we don't look forward. So based on this context, whenever you talk about look back, you talk about person complete, when you talk about what has happened, you go for lagging indicator. But leading indicators are all about forecast, what might happen, what should be the total cost of the project, how we are going to implement the remaining work of the project, how much remaining work we have. So they all are referred as leading indicators. So we need to, when we are creating our progress report, we should add both lagging indicators and leading indicators. So based on the example and the discussion that I have done right now, or the explanation that I gave you right now, which of the following is not a leading indicator? I believe right now it is easier for you. Schedule forecast, future leading indicator. B, person complete. That's not the leading indicator, that's a lagging indicator. It talks about what has happened, how much work has been completed. So option number B is the right answer in this context. Option number C says cost forecast, like schedule forecast, cost forecast is also leading indicator. Option number D, I think lots of you selected option number D. You see, burn down charts are used in agile project, but the point is, burn down charts talks about how much work is left, how much scope, how much functionality, how much story points are left. So it's more of a leading indicator rather than the lagging indicator. I hope you understand the question well. Thank you. Those who have answered it correctly through understanding, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.